Abantu 14 bakasiddwa okubanga balina ekirwadde ki COVID-19 ekikankanya ensi yonna. Okusinziira ku mukungu mu Minisitule y'ebyobulamu Dr. Henry Mwebesa, omu ku bazuuliddwa okuba n'ekirwadde kino butafulumangako mu ggwanga. Abantu 5 be balangiriddwa okwegatta ku mwenda abaasooka okuzuulwa n'ekirwadde kino, olwo omuwendo ne guwera gw'abantu 14. Muno mulimu n'omwana ow'emyezi 8 okuva e Iganga, ssaako omusajja w'emyaka 63 okuva e Najjanankumbi.
The first is a 63-year-old Ugandan male, a resident of Najjanankumbi, who traveled from Germany and is currently under quarantine. He presented with high fever, cough, sore throat, and shortness of breath. That is during the time of quarantine. The second case is a 57-old Ugandan male, a resident and businessman in salt trade in Adjumani. He presented with sore throat, difficulty in breathing. There's no history of travel abroad or even contact with anybody who had traveled abroad. The third case is actually an 8-month-old baby, a Ugandan resident in Iganga, whose father traveled from Kenya, Kisumu in Kenya, about a week earlier. Now, the 2 other cases were 2 Chinese who traveled from Guangzhou and Linyago. I think Linyago is another city in China, who have been currently under quarantine. All the previously confirmed cases, the 9 cases, are in a stable condition and are doing well and feeding.
Dr. Mwebesa era ategeezezza nga bwe baliko bannayuganda abamazeeko ennaku 14 nga bali mu karantini, nga bano baweereddwa certificate okakasa nti tebalina kawuka kano.
The people who have completed their 14 days are 1,400, and we have stopped the mandatory follow-up of these cases. That we also have people who came from our Category 1 countries, and we got to know that some of them escaped from the quarantine areas. I will not discuss here, or I don't know the details of how they escaped, but what I know is that some Category 1 passengers who arrived from Category 1 are not in the quarantine areas, so we appeal to them to come to Category 1.
Mu kugezaako okwanguyiza bannayuganda, kati amalwaliro amanene agali mu bitundu nawo gaweereddwa obuvunaanyizibwa okulondoola abateeberezebwa okuba n'ekirwadde okwewala omujjuzo e Kampala.
All regional referral hospitals have been directed to avail space for at least 20 patients of COVID, and we are going to provide them with adequate personal protective equipment, which includes part of what we have heard from our partners.
Minisitule y'ebyobulamu era etegeezezza nga ababaka ba Paalamenti abasatu, Sipiika beeragidde okugira nga beetegula Paalamenti olw'okuba nti baatuukako e Dubai nga bwe bagenda okuteekebwa mu karantini amangu ddala.
Can give them a list of the hotels. We have about 16 hotels where this quarantine is taking place. They can choose a hotel of their choice depending on what they prefer and what they can afford, but with immediate effect they should go.
Minisitule etegeezezza nti yeetaaga obuwumbi 26 okwenganga ekirwadde kino, kyokka kino kisobola okukyuka singa ekirwadde kyeyongera.